Good people, this is Pastor Ron. Just wanted to give you a quick 2-3 minute explanation of Lent. We're entering into the Lenten season. The word Lent is an Anglo-Saxon word which really just means spring. Lent is a time where you refresh, you look inwardly, you repent of sins, you kind of clean out all those spiritual cobwebs you've been holding on to. And it's a 40-day period that ends with Easter. And so it's 40 days prior to Easter, where it's a time for you just to fast and to pray, spend time with God, commune, and just really hear what God is saying. Lent starts actually tomorrow. Tomorrow is what's known as Ash Wednesday. Ash Wednesday is a time when priests and pastors take a bowl full of ashes and they mark the temple with a cross. And so you'll see a bunch of folk walking around tomorrow with crosses of ashes on their temple. And again, that's just a recognition that they are human. And so the ashes on the forehead represent the humanity of man and divinity of God. So from we come from dust to dust we go back. It's a sign of repenting, of penance. And so that's why you'll see ashes tomorrow for Ash Wednesday. And again, Ash Wednesday launches 40 days of Lent, which ends with Easter. Tonight, Tuesday is considered Fat Tuesday. It's usually a time when everybody overindulges on everything you're not supposed to have. Mardi Gras is a French word that actually means Fat Tuesday. And again, so they down there partying and jamming, eating all kinds of stuff and doing all kinds of stuff. As they get ready for tomorrow, get ready for Ash Wednesdays, 40 days of Lent leading up to Easter. My encouragement to you is that if you're gonna spend Lent giving something up, many people, go into Lent and they'll eat once a day, or they'll give up meat and just eat fruits and vegetables, or they'll, give up TV or give up Facebook or give up all kinds of stuff. My encouragement to you is that as you're giving stuff up, make sure you're replacing it with spending time in the presence of God and spending time with God. Whether that's through reading the Word, or whether that's through studying, whether that's through worshiping. But make sure you're replacing whatever time you're spending or giving up with spending time with God. Anytime you're fasting and not praying and not worshiping, you're really just on a diet. And we don't want to do that to Christ. We don't want to do that to God. So if you're going to fast, make sure you pray. Make sure you worship. If you're going to give up, meat, or give up, eating 3 times a day, or give up whatever, make sure that time you give up, you're replacing it with spending time with God. So listen, that's Lent. Lent starts tomorrow morning with Ash Wednesday, and it ends 40 days from now with Easter. And in the Lenten calendar, we go through 40 days. The last week is called Holy Week. We've got Palm Sunday, Good Friday, and then Easter. Listen, God bless you. I love you. Looking forward to what God's going to be doing in this season as He speaks to you through Lent, and just getting to know you more deeply, getting to know God more deeply, to hear Him more clearer as you move through this time. Spend this time with God. Spend this time in God's presence, reading His Word, worshiping, and getting to know Him. That's Lent in a nutshell. 4 minutes, we almost got it. All right, God bless you. Bye.